Good morning, students. Today we will continue the chapter The Green Plants, Producer of Food. In the last lecture, we had learned about the food making process of the plants and parts of the leaf and functions of the parts of the leaf. Today we will learn about the special plants, interdependence of plants and animals. So let's start from special plants, or we can say non-green plants. As we learn, the photosynthesis processes takes place in only green plants, but all the plants need food, so the special plants also need food. The examples of special plants are mushroom, fungi and molds. These are the special plants. And non-green plants, they do not prepare their own food, not prepare food. These plants do not prepare their own food. They depend upon the other plant sources of food. Like they get their food from the dead and decaying matter. They get their food from the dead and decaying matter. Here some also other plants like dodder, dodder is a type of plant that get their food from the other green plants. It gets food from other green plants. They get their food from the other green plants. These types of plants that get food from other plants is known as parasitic plants. The plants that get their food from other green plants is known as parasitic plants. Okay? Parasitic plants that get food from other green plants. For example, dodder. Dodder is a parasitic plant. Next is interdependence of plants and animals. It means plants depend upon the animals and animals depend upon the plants. Plants depend upon the animals and animals depend upon the plants, because plants release the oxygen that is required to animal. Plant release the oxygen required to animals, and animals release the carbon dioxide that is required for the plants. Oxygen is required to animals, that is released by plants, and carbon dioxide is released by animals, that is required to plants. Okay. So the next topic is balance in nature. Balance in nature is very compulsory to live plants and animals. If the number of plants increased, if the number of plants increase, they required more carbon dioxide to prepare their food. If the number of animals increased, they required also more food from the plants when the plants are decreased. Plants, if the plants increase, they require more food. So here animals also should be increased. Should increased. Okay. So to maintain the balance, there is a equal number of plants and animals. If there is too much amount of plants or animals increased, then no one survive because they are interdependent upon each other. So it is your first chapter. So by this your first chapter is complete. Thank you.